On the 21st of June 2024, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma inaugurated the Mallangkona Police Outpost in West Khasi Hills. The ceremony was attended by Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong, MLA R Momin, Meghalaya DGP Idashisha Nongrang, MDC Gigur Myrthong and other senior police officials. The Mallangkona Police Outpost was funded through the Police Infrastructure Renovation Fund PIRF, which allows local police to undertake construction and repairs without state approval. Established in 2019, the outpost was constructed at a cost of Rs 17.5 lakhs under the PIRF scheme in Mallangkona village, Mawshynrut Civil Sub-Division. In his inaugural address, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma praised the Mallangkona community for their support, including labour and materials, highlighting the project as a model of community government cooperation. He emphasized on the new police outpost's intention in fulfilling a long-standing demand of the Mallangkona community, underscoring the government's dedication to public safety, especially as the outpost is strategically located near the Assam border. Sangma announced plans that the government is actively working to address the challenges faced by border communities.
Sir, closer. 1, 2, and 3. Good. How many rooms? What? 1, 2, 3, 4 rooms. 2. Already this is over. So many already. The file was so much already. So we are here in Mallangkona today. And as you've seen, we have just inaugurated the new building of the Mallangkona outpost, and this has been a very long pending demand of the people out here. And there are two things I would like to specifically mention about this. Number one is that this is a very strong message and a symbol that safety and security of our people is important, and that's why we have all come here to be part of this program. And we want to show that it won't be just here, but in all the different parts of the state, wherever such critical locations are there, we will ensure that sufficient infrastructure and manpower is provided in different locations. Number two, we also would like to state that this building was made through the PIRF fund, which is now made available to the SPs to have a flexible fund where they can utilize it to repair new constructions at their own district level without taking any approval from the state or from the government. And this has enabled this particular building to come up. But the beauty of this building is that while the money came for the materials and all from here, the people of this village have contributed as manpower, laborers. They came and worked themselves. Some even contributed by giving building materials out here. Even the SP and the DC at the personal level have come in and monitored things. So this is a very good and great example of the society coming together and sending a very strong message to the state. So I would encourage that other locations also, when there's such type of projects come up, if the community can be part of the project, it sends a very, very strong message. So I congratulate our Honorable Deputy CM in charge Home Police and all the officials who have made this project a success. Thank you very much.